Hey people, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, there's something wrong with my JBL Flip 3. Okay, here's the thing. I was preparing my video, a loudness test, and so I put everything up and started connecting my speakers to the iPad, and when I came to the Flip 3, I suddenly heard this. And again. Okay, so as you could probably hear, it's a hiss, a very annoying one. It's pretty loud. It's yeah, very loud actually. So it's very annoying, and it's only the right driver. The left driver is fine. It's the right driver, and so I took off the screws and took out the driver and was looking for anything that might cause this hiss, but I couldn't really find anything actually. So I put back 2 screws and make this video. So does anyone of you know or may know what this sound can be? Because I don't see anything that could cause this sound, because it's like, it seems very closed. I don't see anything that's open or, yeah, it seems all fine to me. And focus. So yeah, this is very annoying. It's loud, it's the right driver, and it's more noticeable, of course, with bass heavier tracks. Like, I'll play a little bit on my iPad here. Yeah. You'll probably hear it in a few seconds. Here it goes again. So yeah, it's loud. Yeah. It's very annoying and very loud. Yeah, so leave your comments below if you might know what this is. Yeah, so I might do the loudest test another time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye bye.